7 reasons you need discipleship. Let me recommend this scriptural text, Matthew 28, 19 to 20, Isaiah chapter 8, verses 16 to 20, for your personal reading. Now, 7 reasons. Number 1, it is God's age-long method of raising men and of growing his saints to maturity for his use. And that is why Christ commanded his disciples to make disciples of all the nation. Matthew 28, verses 19 to 20. Number 2, you can't afford to ignore Jesus calling you to take his yoke upon you to become like him. Otherwise, your growth will be against Christ. Matthew 11:29, Jesus called all of us, come and take my yoke upon you. So you can't afford to ignore that call. Number 3, it is in discipleship that your deformed image will be recreated and transformed into your real image designed from eternity, and you also be crowned with power from on high. Acts chapter 4 verse 13. When the Jews, the Israelis, saw the disciples of Jesus, they discovered that they had been with Jesus because there is a glory of the person of Christ they saw in them. Number 4, it is God's way of pulling his people away from religiosity to become strong so as to stand correctly without bending to religious norms and the corruption of their days. Isaiah chapter 8 verses 14 to 17. Number 5, it is God's way of releasing his word to his chosen vessel to become custodian of his oracles. Isaiah 8:16. God releases his word to disciples. In 2 Kings chapter 3 verse 11, there was this testimony about Elisha that the word of the Lord was with him, but he got that word from the Lord while he was following Elijah, the man of God. Number 6, it is God's way of recruiting instruments of revival. Discipleship is God's way of recruiting chosen instruments to be instrument of revival. Isaiah chapter 8:18, Isaiah said, my children whom God has given me, we are for signs and wonders in Israel. Now lastly, number 7, for you to be able to defend the gospel. You cannot defend the gospel if you are not discipled. Isaiah chapter 8 verse 19 to 20. Only those who are trained, who are discipled, they are the ones that can defend the gospel. Jude chapter 1 and verse 3. God bless you. Make sure you like this video, share it, and again let me invite you, join the saints of God in an intensive training on equipping for destiny. It's coming up in August 9 to 16. It's a week, it's a camp meeting. You'll be there. So click the link below for details. God bless you. Make sure you register now.